Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a resume from your LinkedIn profile, whether it's in your featured section or added as a media attachment. If you've ever uploaded an outdated or incorrect resume and want to clean up your profile, this tutorial will guide you step by step. First, open LinkedIn and log in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture or the Me icon in the top navigation bar, then select View Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where all your details and uploaded files are displayed. Now, scroll down your profile until you reach the Featured or Media section. This is where LinkedIn stores any documents, links, or posts you've decided to showcase, including your uploaded resume. Take a moment to find the specific resume you want to delete. Once you've located it, click the pencil icon, the small edit button on the right side of the section. This will open an editing window showing all the files and media currently attached. From here, find your resume and click Remove to delete it permanently. When you're done, make sure to click Save to confirm your changes. Your resume will now be completely removed from your profile, and no one else will be able to view or download it. It's a good idea to double-check your profile afterward to ensure the resume has been successfully deleted. If you want to upload a new, updated version, you can easily do so by clicking Add Featured or Add Media, depending on where you want it displayed. Keeping your LinkedIn profile organized and up-to-date is important, especially if recruiters or employers are checking it out. Removing old or outdated resumes helps make your profile look clean, professional, and current. And that's it. That's how to remove a resume from your LinkedIn featured or media section. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe for more quick LinkedIn and job-related tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.